Hello. In this part, I will discuss about morphology of flowering plant. At first, I will discuss about morphology. What is morphology? The word morphology is derived from two words, morphos and logos, where morphos means external form feature and logos means to study. Hence, to study external form feature of flowering plant is called morphology. So, in the morphology, I will discuss about different parts of a plant, morphological features, leaves, stem, flowers, fruits, etc. So, what is morphology? The word morphology is derived from two words, morphos and morphos and logos. Morphos means external form feature, external form feature, and logos means to study, and logos means to study. Hence, study of external form feature of plant or flowering plant is morphology. External study of external form and feature of a flowering plant, of a flowering plant, of a flowering plant is called morphology, is called morphology. अगर प्लांट्स को मॉर्फोलॉजी को डिस्कस करें तो एक्सटर्नली अ प्लांट इज डिफरेंशिएटेड इनटू थ्री मेन पार्ट्स, रूट, स्टेम एंड लीफ. So morphologically a plant is differentiated into three main parts, root, stem and leaf. So the first part is root. What is root? Root is that part of plant which grows inside the soil. So roots are positively geotrophic, and as it grows away from the light, so roots are negatively phototropic also. We have few exceptions of negative phototropic roots. For example, in Trapa and Tinospora, the roots are green and are positively phototropic, as so they perform photosynthesis also. Na? So roots are those structures which grows inside the soil. ये soil के अंदर grow करता है, so इसको हम positively geotropic कहते हैं. क्योंकि ये सनलाइट से दूर, सॉइल के अंदर सनलाइट नहीं है, तो ये सनलाइट से दूर जाता है, अंदर की तरफ जाता है, सो इट इज निगेटिवली फोटोट्रॉपिक. एक्सेप्शन है हमारे पास निगेटिव फोटोट्रॉपिक रूट्स के, ट्रापा एंड टाइनोस्पोरा, जहाँ पर रूट्स लाइट में होते हैं और ये ग्रीन कलर के होते हैं, ड्यू टू विच दीज आर कॉल्ड एसिमिलेटरी रूट्स एंड दे परफॉर्म्स फोटोसिंथेसिस आल्सो. सो व्हाट आर रूट्स? It grows, it is positively geotropic, it is positively geotropic, and it is negatively phototropic, and it is negatively phototropic. Exception is Trapa and Tinospora. These are positively phototropic and are green in color and are green, so performs and are green, so performs photosynthesis also. So performs photosynthesis hence are called assimilatory roots also. Hence are called assimilatory roots. Hence are called assimilatory roots also. Next is the roots arises from the radical of seed in the germinated seed. अगर हम किसी जर्मिनेटेड सीड को देखते हैं तो इस जर्मिनेटेड सीड में ऐसे दो स्ट्रक्चर हमें आउटग्रोथ इमर्ज होते हुए दिखते हैं. These outgrowth, out of the two outgrowth, one is called a plumule and the other is called a radicle. Roots arises from the radicle and from the plumule shoot system develops. So roots arises, generally roots arises as in plants. Sometimes roots arises from other part of the plant also, but in maximum condition roots arises mainly from the radicle of germinated seeds. Radicle of germinated seeds. The root which develops from the radicle grows inside the soil and it forms primary root. Gradually, lateral branches also arises from the primary root. These lateral branches, another branches also arises. So the root which arises from the radicle forms the primary root, secondary root and tertiary root. In this way they constitute a root system which is known as tap root system. Okay, so रेडिकल से जो रूट अराइज होते हैं ये सॉइल के अंदर ग्रो करता है, तो जो मेन रूट होता है उस मेन रूट को प्राइमरी रूट कहते हैं. फिर इसमें से ब्रांचेस अराइज होती हैं, जो ब्रांचेस अराइज होती है वो लैटरल रूट्स, फिर लैटरल रूट से भी ब्रांचेस अराइज होती हैं और इस तरह से ये एक रूट सिस्टम का फॉर्मेशन करता है और इस रूट सिस्टम को हम लोग टैप रूट सिस्टम कहते हैं. इसी तरह से हमारे पास प्लांट्स में मेनली 3 टाइप्स के रूट सिस्टम ऑब्जर्व होते हैं. दीज रूट सिस्टम्स आर, फर्स्ट इज टैप रूट सिस्टम, सेकेंड इज fibrous root system and third is adventitious root system. So there are 3 main types of root system in plants. First is primary root system या tap root system इसको कहेंगे, second is fibrous root system and the third is